Okay, guys, this is crazy. I've got to share with you. I was paying $164 in car.
Yo, Grand Rising, guys. How you feeling? How you guys feeling today? Drop your cities in the chat.
You've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. God damn it. My life has value.
All right. Let's get this thing going. Go ahead and drop your cities in the chat if you have not done so already. I don't see any of you guys dropping cities, so I assume I don't know what you guys are tuning in from. Let's get it. So, first things first on the radar, we want to go over the fundamental news events. Today we did have just core PPI. Make sure everybody gets this thing. You guys that don't know, everybody inside the Prop Society Discord, you guys have access to the sessions. And I also will be opening it up to the new academy that is launching called the Stacks Academy. I'm in NQ longs. I agree with the NQ longs. We actually just formed a 5-minute candle here. A little late now. If you took it right there. I agree with the bullish bias. This does look like an accumulation. Then this spring right here. So I could definitely see that happening and seeing us actually react off of there. Maybe not so harsh like that. Let me turn on the music a little bit. Maybe not so harsh, but I am bullish indices, so this would be a good opportunity to actually get in the market. Myself a little late. But we do have some news coming out at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. All right, what's coming out at 10 a.m.? We have preliminary UOM consumer sentiment. This is the level of composite index based on surveyed consumers. If it's greater than forecast, then this would be good for the dollar. PPI came out higher. PPI came out higher on a month-to-month in the core. So this does mean good for the dollar. Now, as far as this release at 10 a.m., if it comes out higher, that would definitely mean some more bullish dollar. It is expected to come out higher, so I wouldn't be surprised that at 10 a.m. when this news comes out, the fact that we're struggling to break the lows right over here could be an opportunity for us to take some long positions if it reacts, right? Obviously, it's all based off of how this release comes out, coming out in the next 15 minutes. So we'll pay attention. We'll pay attention. We're at a point right now. You know, 8:30 we came out higher and kind of sold that off. So let's see if we can get something that truly sticks over here. Looking for something like this to hold here. What is your for me personally, if I were to take this position, this is what I would take. I actually did drop Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you doing, my guy? My guy, Alex, bro. I agree with these buys. This is what my risk to reward would be. I don't want to execute right before news, but by all means, this is yours if you want to go for it. See, it could do some stuff before news, which is why I'm gonna stay out. Yo, how you doing, my guy, Alex Roger? I'm in at 2047, highest entry. Oh yeah, I feel you. Damn, I should have took it. Anybody in? Anybody in the NQ longs? We shall see. There's news at 10, so I'm not gonna lie. This might be one where you gotta go break even very soon. It's a Friday. It's a Friday as well, ladies and gentlemen. Doing okay, my bad. Had a real tough week, but as traders, we bounce back. Yeah, doing well, bro. I had an okay week myself. Slow. I didn't really take too much positions because of all the news. But ladies and gentlemen, this is why it's so important to document everything. You know, make sure you guys are utilizing a proper compound plan. And also a trade journal. A combination of a trade journal and a proper plan will help each and every single one of you guys. If you guys would like this trading plan that I have, I'll actually go ahead and drop it in the Discord. If you guys are not in the Discord, feel free to join up. I told everybody it's Friday, so take it easy. So I think once we get up to here on the dollar, pay attention for reactions towards the downside. We got news in about 10 minutes. So let's see how we form here. If we break this completely, which I think we might, it might just be a bullish day. Shout out to anybody who got in those NAS longs. Protect yourself before this news. Nah, this isn't valid quite yet. I will say what? Once we get a nice reaction here on oil, we can send it up. I'm out. Took my money before news. I'm debating hard, fam. I'm close to passing 3 Apex accounts. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Honestly, so what? It's Friday. The markets aren't really like giving too much before the news. So why force it? Why force it? Don't force it. Don't force it. Even though you're close to passing those 3 Apex accounts, don't worry about passing those 3 Apex accounts. Just worry about having at least a 20-point day, right? That's all, you know, because that's, that I don't want you to. I remember sometimes when I'm like close to passing an account, I'll be the type of person to like drop a big lot size to try to pass it quick or something. I don't know. That's just how I am. All right, let me get back the music rolling. And let's watch this news happen.
May qualify for help from National Debt Relief. Minimum payments could literally keep you in debt for decades. $10,000 in debt can take any.
Again, there's news coming out here, so drop a 1 in the chat if you're in any trades. Drop a 2 if you're not in any trades whatsoever. y'all freaking out right now. 5 more points. Yo. All right, that's good to hear. I'll let you guys know if I execute. Damn, bro. Let's see if the 5-minute can engulf. Because this was a harsh candle down, so I don't want to buy just right into it. There's a possibility that this does just go straight up before the news. Big possibility of that. What's good, my brother Free Zone Lou? What's good to Kyle in the chat, man? What's good to you, bro? No trade day for me, but had to tap in. Enjoy your weekend. You as well, man. You as well. Any of you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about what's been going on this week? I mean, let's talk about it. beginning of the week, we were going over the DXY. Obviously, I've went live maybe twice, but as far as the DXY goes, we are in a heavily bearish trend cycle here. It's tough to want to buy the dollar. But if I'm being real, after all week of selling off, starting on Wednesday, or I would say Monday and Tuesday, we were just consolidating. Wednesday, once we had that retest, we pretty much went down ever since all week. If CPI and core both came out higher, preliminary UOM consumer sentiment doesn't have to come out higher, but is a good reading as to, damn, it might come out higher. That is what I'm thinking, right? Obviously, we've had 4 straight lower readings, so this would be the time that we come out slightly higher, if it is that time. With 4 straight readings coming out lower than forecast, it's been mix and match on the previous side. So last time we came out higher than previous. So yeah, I believe we do come out higher this time. Let's see. As far as oil, GU is a bullish pair, and I haven't really seen a lot of entries ever since here and here. These are great entry opportunities that we were looking at. And now you can really see us continuing in that direction. One last retest down. Maybe the news can give it to us. That retest down. And then we can actually go towards the upside. Bitcoin is going to actually make a run here. Yo, I did want to mention this, right? Obviously, we have news in 1 minute. So let me wait. Just came out. Damn, we actually did come out lower. Would mean bearish dollar. So yeah, this is bearish dollar news. Us coming out lower. This is going to continue. Continuations over reversals is what I practice and preach. You know, I really have to let you guys know. Continuations over reversals, right? And whenever the market is continuing in a trend like this, whatever retest, retrace that you get, you gotta play the retest. Obviously over here, a lot of people were maybe thinking we were gonna buy up or something like that, and actually start reversing. And even over here, I even still think we could start buying up somewhere over here. But even then, a lot of this that's playing out right now is going to be counter trend. We had some bearish dollar news, and we're just waiting for the market to actually react from that. It's Friday. and I don't really think we're gonna get much volatility except for Nasdaq. Yo, drop a $sign in the chat if you made some money on Nasdaq, because you know what, it'll make me feel a lot better that some of you guys actually got in this trade. Anybody in Nas? Damn, some people took their money out before news. Some people are still in. The news did hit today. Past one account need like $60. What the hell? I just got logged out of my account. Let me figure out what's good with my Tradeovate. Who the hell logged me out of my account? It's probably from my phone. Yeah. I mean, good shit. Good shit to any of you guys that caught this right here. I didn't want to risk anything with the news coming out. But for you guys that risk it for the biscuit, I'm not going to lie. Good risk. Good risk right there. Let's look at oil one more time. Oil isn't really reacting. I think with Nasdaq you could be done for the day and call it a day. I don't want to trade oil or GU. Gold. There's a possibility that we actually react up here. I'm gonna actually look more into gold. Yeah, so we're gonna play off of here and retest towards the downside. That's pretty much what's gonna happen. We're gonna get more downside action here. Yo, good shit to my guy Alex, man. Just got a bag off Nasdaq. I do believe Nasdaq and gold are going to continue up for the rest of the day. It's all about finding that entry. I'm gonna buy a setup today and really double down on my shit. Yes, sir. Do that, bro. We'll talk soon, man. Honestly, we'll definitely chop it up. Yeah, nonetheless, take it easy today, guys. Take it easy today. I did want to bring this up. This right here is called the dog token. How to get the dogs airdrop. Dogs is just basically a free thing that gets for your Telegram usage. You will get airdropped some of this dogs. It actually just came out. You seen that? You claimed it. All right, everybody go ahead and claim that. Yeah, everybody go ahead and claim that. There's a Telegram link. This is the Telegram link. How much did you get, bro? How much did you get? Were you on like the top percentage of them? Did you get like a big amount? Anybody that claims this, let me know. You know how much they actually go ahead and get you right. Let me get back to gold. Gold and NAS are running. I'm gonna drop this because I want to look for a retest here. Top 20, let's go. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I think I was in the top percentage as well. But yeah, I mean, the dollar here can make some moves. That's what I'm looking for on the dollar, oil, NAS, and gold. I mean, gold is pushing already. Interesting here on oil. Let's see how this 1 hour plays. Got a small reaction. Wish we was in this position here on NAS. But yo, good shit. Good shit to all you guys that caught it. Honestly, guys, I did decide to take it easier today. But a lot of our plays did play out really, really good. Definitely does boost a little bit of confidence for any of you guys in here that had a slow week. Maybe just caught a bag. But yeah, bro, honestly, guys, you caught any trades at this point on dollar sells? You know, obviously now move your position to break evens and actually let them ride. Gold and oil are the focus. Let me know if you guys claim this. And if it is something that you like. All right, let me get back. Let's see what we happen here. Oh. Fuck, man. Let's see if it comes back. As far as any positions today, guys, I feel like since the dollar has actually kind of already went ahead and made new lows, let's see if we can continue based off of this preliminary URM consumer sentiment and continue dropping. You know, that's that. And You know, if that can continue happening, hold out the rest of your trades. It's already like 10:30, so a lot of that happened really fast. Like within like 15 minutes of us being on here. If you're in oil, you definitely are in profit. Yeah, I didn't take it. Personally, I'm gonna take it kind of slow. Shout out to any of you guys that took that, man. It's already booming. Damn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it on my phone real quick. I got my phone. I don't want to ape in either. Damn, it's already running. I think Nas is gonna sell off. I believe so as well. Just let it wipe this candle and then see how it forms from there. Remember what I told you, once we get that wipe and then the 5-minute candle, then you know, that's a good confirmation there. Oil is retesting. I will monitor this. All right. Shout out to any of you guys that took oil and NAS. Good positions here. Same with gold. We can get a retest. We can get it going. Damn, oil is popping. NQ is popping. Gold is about to be popping even more. Let's see what happens here with gold, oil, NAS. Oil is already booming. Shout out to any of you guys that got in. That's 2 trades today that really went crazy. Drop a $sign in the chat. You guys caught any of those trades? Damn. You didn't. I don't know what to tell you guys, man. My bad, guys. It's doing some things on my phone. Gold, oil, NAS. When gold goes up, oil goes down, correct? I can't remember. Now, they don't really correlate. They actually kind of correlate directly. Because when assets, oil, gold, these things go up when the dollar buying power decreases. So as dollar increases, then you know, you can see gold oil and Q making a move. So they actually correlate like together. They don't have a direct correlation, but I could see you guys have to understand this is a metal, oil is a commodity, and we have bullish commodities, bullish metals as the dollar starts to decrease in buying power. USD CAD and oil are actually kind of inversely correlated. So whatever USD CAD is doing, seeing it going up would actually correlate. It's just, I'm not gonna lie, I actually don't think it's ready. Probably gonna sweep some liquidity before doing so. Or it's at a reaccumulation spot right now where it is gonna start selling. I do see this as a reaccumulation. I mean, for the most part, I wouldn't say inversely. I would just say, I'm not gonna lie, because the London continuation pattern is showing me a buy right now. Like my strategy is showing me a buy. So I actually don't really agree with the shorts, honestly. They actually are correlated directly. It's not really, I wouldn't really say it's much of a correlation, but understand that CAD has a heavy influence. And oil and CAD, since CAD owns a lot of oil, Canadian oil is important. And yeah, I do believe USD CAD is actually going to go up here. Depends on how we react here, because I don't want to get you guys in a consolidation trade either. Sometimes oil moves and then USD CAD doesn't move whatsoever. So yeah. To be honest, yeah, you're better off playing this. Not a 1-to-1 mapping. Yeah, it isn't a 1-to-1 map. That's what I meant. Yeah, since oil is running, I will probably only focus on gold. Oil is already running. Gold is another focus. That NASDAQ sell is starting to form as well. There we go. Nas is starting to react. Gold is the only thing I would take, though. Gold is the only thing I would take, to be real. Oil has been very volatile this week. That's correct. And let's see if we can get some of that continuations here on gold. That's what probably going to be my next trade to get in on. It is Friday again, so don't rush it. Take your time. Any other pairs that you guys are looking at? Let me know. Yeah, the risk to reward isn't. We chilling for today, guys. Honestly, we chilling for today. If anybody has any other pairs, let me know in the chat. Let me know right now. I'll go over them. If not, that's all from me for today. Appreciate you guys for tapping in and getting some sauce, some value, and actually going ahead and staying locked in with me. If you guys are not in the Discord, feel free to go ahead and join up. You guys know the vibes. We always gonna eat over here in the Discord.
When's the last time I went to yoga class? Hey Erica, did my membership increase?
With that being said, though, honestly, I hope you guys really go crazy this weekend. Study, focus up, get to the bag. Next week is a new week. we would look to crush it even more. Let's get it. If you guys got some value, drop a 777 in the chat. And let's get busy. Yes, sir. Thank you, Safe. Yes, ma'am. Yo, let's get it. Mike. You know the vibes. Hope you guys have a blessed rest of your weekend. See you guys at the top.